Yeah, good day everyone. Please, we are taking this question and it is from hot polynomial function. The question says the polynomial f of s is equal to what? S cubed plus as squared minus 5s plus b has what? A factor of what? S plus 3 as a factor, and then when it is divided by what? S plus 2, the remainder is what? 4. Find the values of what? A and b. In this case, we have to know that when they say a factor of a number or a factor, it is a number or expression in mathematics that can divide another function or another expression without leaving what? A remainder. So when they said s plus 3 is a factor of this expression, this function, it means that when s plus 3 is being divided by this thing, the remainder will be 0. So since this one, s plus 2, divide this function and it leaves a remainder of 4, it means that x plus 2 is not what? Exact factor of what? This function. Because when a factor divides a number, there should be no remainder. The remainder should be what? 0. So when a number is divided, something left behind, it means that the number is not a real factor for that number or the function being given. So let's get started into this one and find the value of what? A and b respectively. Before we proceed, if you are new here, consider subscribing, share the video to your learning colleagues. Thank you. Before you proceed with this one, you are going to set what? The factors to be equal to 0. So the function is what? X cubed plus ax squared minus 5x plus b. This is the function. Let's say equal to 0. Then the first factor is what? X plus 3. This is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? It's equal to negative 3. The second, then we are going to substitute the value of s into this function. So let's put it into this one. Here, it will be negative 3 cubed. Whenever you see s, you put negative 1. So plus what? A into bracket negative 3 squared minus 5 into bracket negative 3 plus b equal to 0. Negative 3 to the power of 3. This will give us negative 27 plus what? Negative 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9. So 9a. Negative 3 times negative 5. This will give us plus 15 plus b equal to 0. Then this one, let's solve it here. Negative 27 plus 15. This will give us what? 12. So it will give us negative 12 plus 9a plus b equal to 0. So 9a plus b is equal to, this one will go here, it will be equal to 12. This is our equation 1. So let's take the second factor, which is x plus 2 equal to 0. Then we substitute into the function, which is x cubed plus ax squared minus 5x plus b equal to 0. But we were told in the question that when this factor is being divided by the function over here, the remainder is 4. So it will be, so let's do this one. X will be equal to negative 2. So whenever we see s in the function, we put negative 2. So it will be negative 2 cubed plus a into bracket negative 2 squared minus 5 negative 2 plus b. This is equal to what? It's equal to 4, because they said that the remainder for this one is equal to 4. So we have this one, we have negative 8 plus negative 2 to the power of 2 is what? 4. So it will be 4a plus 10 plus b is equal to 4. In this case, we are going to solve this one. When we solve this, let's add negative 8 to positive 10. This will give us 2 plus 4a plus b is equal to 4. Then we subtract this one from 2 from both sides. Then we give 4a plus b equal to 2. This is our equation 2. So in this case, we are going to solve both equations simultaneously. So equation 1 is 9a plus b is equal to 12. Then you have 4a plus b is equal to 2. So we are going to subtract equation 2 from what? Equation 1. Or we multiply one of the equation by a negative number so that we can get rid of one of the variable and solve one variable. So let's multiply equation 2 by negative 1, because when we multiply it by negative 1, we have negative b. When negative b is being added to positive b, it will be 0. So we have negative 1 times 4a minus 1 times b is equal to minus 1 times what? 2. This will give us negative 4a minus b is equal to negative 2. So we are going to, this is equation 3. We are going to add this equation to equation 1. So our equation 1 is 9a plus b is equal to 12. Then you have negative 4a minus b is equal to negative 2. In this case, when we add 9a to the negative 4, it will give us what? 5a. This plus this will give us 0. This is equal to this plus this will give us 10. So we divide through by what? 5. Our a is equal to what? 1, 2. Our a is equal to 2. So to get the value of what? To get the value of b, we are going to substitute the value of b, the value of a, into one of the equation. So let's take equation 3, for instance. When we take equation 3, we are going to substitute there. equation 2. We have 4a plus b is equal to 2. So we have 4 into bracket 2 plus b is equal to 2. 8 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 8. B is equal to -6. So this is the value of what? B and A. So when you plug this into the polynomial function, we are going to get the following answers in the question. But because of time, we cannot check up for it. So let me give you some questions so you solve and put your answer in the comment section. It says if s minus 2 is a factor of the function, you have f of x to be as squared minus 12s plus 4. Find the value of a. Solve this one and put your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you.